Hey guys, if you want to see if your products like kefir water and all is any good, there, that's hummus that Mom made.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what.
Kefir water, and it took off. So this jar was probably what, that level right there initially?
Initially, that's where they were.
And you've already taken this one down and it went again?
And divided it into that. Now that's the lemon. That's the lemon. And I even
the lemon's finally getting to where the kefir water was
I know,
earlier.
But I divided it down.
Because you knew it was going to grow.
Yeah. Look.
But the kefir water that went into the recipe to start the...
this is all the lemon, and I took it way down. And look, that freaking thing is already giving me trouble.
So the kefir, when we put the kefir water in to start the process of fermentation with the squash,
and
black beans,
and
potato,
and this is kefir water and salt. That's it.
And it just boom overnight.
It
made a mess. Thank goodness it was in a tray.
Now look at what I got. I had one of these and one of these. This one was filled to here, and this one was filled to here. And now I've got this, and this, and this.
Holy shit! You only had those two.
All I had was those two.
With?
And
it grew.
And that one was here, and this one was here.
And that grew to fill up a whole nother.
Yeah, and look at what I got now.
Whole nother quart. Wow.
Now these guys, look at what I did with the lemon.
All right, that's peanut butter and lemon.
Yeah.
This is peanut butter and lemon.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I.
Right. What is that right there?
Peanut butter and lemon.
All right. See? So what'd you start off with on that?
I started off with these two and these two.
Oh, okay. And it
now
only
I got
grew.
that one, and guess what? That baby right there is in trouble.
Yeah.
He's up now. You want to see what kind of trouble?
But right now, hold on. You started with a quart and a pint, and you ended up with another quart.
Another whole quart.
And here you started off with basically 3 quarts, and you only have 1 quart.
I had a quart.
You start off with 2 quarts and
quart
2 pints, which is 3 quarts.
Yeah, and now I got an extra quart here.
But this quart was from a quart and a pint.
Yeah.
And it netted you another quart.
Right. And now
so here you started off with 1, 2, half and half, 3, and you only have 1.
1 extra. Yeah, that's
so
right.
This is some
but
these, the kefir water.
Look at these are not as full because look, I'm giving myself an opportunity.
Wait, that says PB. Look.
Yeah, peanut butter and kefir water.
Oh, kefir. Okay, you're right.
Okay, now watch this. You want to see the
okay,
problem
so
you got
ended
here?
up a little less than a quart.
Let me show you the problem you got here. Now watch.
Oh, put it in the bowl.
No, because
holy shit! Don't take it off. Don't take it off too fast. That doesn't look like something you want to eat.
Oh shoot!
But it's delicious. It really is, especially when it gets through.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so, but now that one was so bad this morning. When I did this, it spewed out on the floor.
Oh, this
and it was a mess.
It was a lot more explosive.
Oh my God, yeah. This one had just a little fizz.
That one went boom.
That one was an explosion.
Right. So the kefir water is really kicking butt. Now, what went in here to start the fermentation?
A lemon.
Lemon juice and salt, which is what you normally put in.
Yeah. Now,
and kefir water and salt.
This is good.
Good stuff.
Mark, you want to taste it?
Yeah.
That is good stuff.
That's pretty good. It was really good. All right. So, haven't checked on our watermelon rind in a while. There's our kefir milk. We just got through taking that off. There's some figs and apricots and dates, and there's our green and black tea for our kombucha. There's some cauliflower and carrots. There's some carrots only.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And is this what you had left after? This is what I cut the other night?
Yeah.
Just carrots?
Yeah, and I had extra carrots, so I did a carrot one.
Mm-hmm.
And that's your honey and garlic.
And the garlic and honey. Yep. That's the latest
That's the
one.
latest
That's the
one.
latest one I'll put
But
on.
watch, after a while, look at what it does to the honey.
That was thick
It is
honey.
thin.
That was thick
Was.
honey. Honey and garlic. That's the only thing went in there.
Yep.
And that garlic thinned it out. There's our crushed up eggshells. And we're in the process.
Now what am I gonna do? I can't dare. So I gotta get another little guy, I guess.
I would at least give it a little bit more room. That's not even going to fit back in there. Look, there's no way that would fit in there.
No. Not a chance. I'm gonna have to stay up all night with these guys.
This is kefir milk and sitting in a strainer with a coffee filter. And there is the whey from the kefir milk slowly dripping out. And there is the whey slowly dripping out of that one. And we made some sour cream before because we left it sit for so long. And this time we're going to make some yogurt. And so what we're trying to do is thicken it up a little bit by letting some of the liquid whey run out. And then we're going to catch it when it's close to what we want. Right now you can tell it's not as thick. And look at here, let's do this one. See? So whenever the whey separates out of there, then we're going to take and blend some peaches or whatever up in it. We're going to make some yogurt out of that. This is just an experiment. All right, cheers.